Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be announcing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold steady near record high on economic and geopolitical risk. Gold steadied in early Asian trading after blowing through a series of record highs in the previous session, with rising economic and political risks supporting heaven demand. Gold edges higher on trade war concerns. Gold firms near record peak as trade war concerns linger. So the tension regarding the trade war is still continuing, and as a result, gold made a high of 2882 yesterday. Now we can see that after some retracement, gold is trading around 2870 area, but yesterday it made a high of 2882 and 2900. Okay, is the next stop. If it breaks 2900, maybe gold will be heading towards 3000. As we have already discussed, sky is the limit right now. So those who have been in a buy position, hope you made good money. And those who were on sell position, okay, you need to learn the fact that standing against the trend of the market can be very costly and dangerous. In the last couple of days, I have received many emails and messages where people have shared screenshots, the stories where they have been sitting on sell since 2600, 2700. My dear friends, you need to learn one thing very well, that in trading there is no rule. If there is one rule in trading, then the rule is trend is your friend. You need to start following the trend of the market, and right now trend of the market is bullish, so you need to look for buy positions only. Tomorrow we have NFP, non-firm payroll. You guys must be knowing that NFP is an event that can change the direction of the market. So after NFP, if market falls, that's a different story, because for a trend reversal we need a big fundamental reason. Without any solid fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal. For example, today during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, gold starts falling, gold breaks 2850, gold breaks to 830. Keep in mind that is also just a technical correction. After some time, maybe by tomorrow, you will see gold going up again. So you need to understand that behind every move in the market, there must be a reason. So without any solid fundamental, there cannot be a trend reversal. Tomorrow is a day that can bring trend reversal, but today, if gold comes down also, that will just be a technical correction. And yes, during the US session we have news coming up, so be careful. Yesterday also we got to see some spikes in our market, so today also we will witness some spikes. No trend reversal or continuation, so be careful during the US session, because your stop losses may be hunt down. Okay, now let's look at the trading opportunities for the day. If you look at the overall trend of the market, then obviously the market is not bullish, super bullish. Okay, there is no doubt about it. But if we just focus on the present condition of the market right now, what do we see here? We can see that market has formed a lower high. Okay, market has formed a lower high, and yesterday gold has taken support around 2858, 2859 area. How many times? Twice. First and second, twice gold has taken support around this area, but right now gold has formed a lower high. Usually formation of lower high indicates trend reversal, but do we have any news in the market? No. So in this super bullish market, chances of market going for trend reversal is very less. But as market has formed a lower high, what can we expect? We can expect that gold may show some correction. Okay, gold may show some correction, or gold may show some retracement. And because of the formation of lower high, there is a good chance that today the support of 2858 or 2859 may not work, or it should not work, because gold will be forming a lower low. Okay, so as a day trader, okay, what you can look is, okay, you can look for support around 2850. Where? 2850. Why? Because it's a round number, it's a psychological support. Along with that, we can also see the 50 moving average coming up. So if gold takes support around 2850, you can go for a buy position. You can sit on the buy position for a couple of hours easily. You can expect not 40 pips. Okay, bullish market, so easily you can expect 60, 80, 100 pips. Or if you want to take sit on the buy, you can sit on the buy as well. But keep in mind that just below the 2850, we have the next support around 2840, 284344 area. So if this support works, then there's a high chance that this will not work. And on the other hand, if this support doesn't work, 2850, there's a good chance that this will work. Means out of among these two, only one will work at a time, because after bouncing from 2850, when gold will be coming down again, okay, it may break it, because it will try to form another lower low. Okay, and similarly, if gold breaks 2850, then this will work. So I think during the Asian session, there's a good chance that 2850 may work. But again, if you see that gold is coming down during the US session, then obviously 2850 will only work once. Chances of market taking support at 284043 is very less. So my dear friends, as a day trader, for safety purpose, keep this in mind. Okay, so if market bounces from 2850, chances of 2840 working as support is little less. Why are we considering 2840? Because 2840 because of previous resistance will be working as support. We have seen so far price action is doing a fantastic job. So 2840, 2843, 44 area should work as support. But the problem is that there is not much gap between 50 and 44. Okay, there is not much gap between 50 and 44. That's why I'm saying that chances of working 2840 not 40, 4344 is less if market takes support from 50. Let's wait and watch. Okay, and in this condition, okay, I think we have a very good support around 2830, 2823, the purple box here. So I think this purple box have a higher chance of working as support. We can see we have FEB 50% retracement level. Along with that, price action is there. The 100 moving average is also present. So I think the purple box 2830, 2823, okay, this is also a good zone to take a buy position. And those who have been holding buy position on gold right now, continue your buy position with your stop losses below 2850. Okay, your stop loss can be around 2845, 2843 or 42 area. So if you see that there is a sudden reversal in the market, drop in the market, you can exit, or you can partially exit from your buy position. And whatever we discuss right now, okay, those are mostly for day traders only, because right now things are a little bit fragile, because tomorrow we have the NFP coming up. And if we see the market hasn't come for retracement, for example, okay, for example, during the European session, if market gets super bullish, if market doesn't come for retracement at all, okay, it's very much possible for gold. In that case, we can look for buy above 2884 as well. 2884. Okay, we never imagined, but still we can look for a buy above 2884. Buying and breakout is risky, okay, in this condition, special because gold has not come for any proper retracement yet. So at least as a day trader, we can look for a buy at breakout, because we have seen there was no proper retracement. Market is still standing at the swing high, very fragile level, very dangerous level, but still nobody can predict the top of the market and bottom of the market. So taking a sell, okay, in a bullish market is also a foolish decision. If market gives us a confirmation that okay, going for correction, that's a different story. But before any confirmation, taking a sell is a very bad decision. My dear friends, respect your hard-earned money. You have worked hard to earn money. For example, you go to office every day to earn money, but when we trade, we forget how much hard work we do to earn money. So do not be a gambler, be a trader, and please respect the money. And my dear friends, if you're a day trader and looking for the lowest spread in the industry, then you can consider opening an account in Star Trader. Star Trader is a tier 1 licensed broker from Australia, and they also have licenses from FSC, not FSCA and FSA. Okay, and they are also the member of the financial commission, means in case of any dispute you will get a compensation up to 20,000 euros. And the best part is that those who are planning to trade with a big capital, you also get an insurance up to $1 million, which very few brokers provide. And if you're looking for bonus, then StarTrader also provide bonus up to 50% on your first deposit and 20% bonus on your consequent deposits. So what will be the spread for the day traders? It's only 17. Yeah, it's only 17, or at least you can expect the spread will be below 20 on gold. In most of the brokers, the spread is 25, 30, 35, 40. I always say that if your broker is charging more than 35 spread, you should just leave the broker. On StarTrader, we'll get a spread of only 17 to 18 on gold. Isn't it amazing? So feel free to check out StarTrader. The link will be in the description. One more thing I would like to add here is that when you'll be opening your account, okay, initially the spread will be around 27, 28. So you need to open your account through the link that is in the description and the comment section so that I can reduce the spread. They have a minimum deposit of $50, so you can deposit 50, 5,000, it's up to you. So once you're done with the deposit, just WhatsApp me that Avilash, I have made a deposit, this is my account number. I will forward your account and the spread will be reduced. Okay, so it will be the lowest in the industry. So feel free to check out StarTrader. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.